Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a snappy Valentine's Day surprise fold. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with my Valentine's Day alligator surprise fold, let's begin by folding our paper. I'm going to line up my paper and give it a nice fold down the middle, so it's kind of like a card. Next, I'm going to fold it one more time, line up the corners, and give it another fold. This way it looks like a bookmark. Now when I open it up, I have these nice little guidelines that show me where I need to keep the inside of my drawing. And I like to turn my paper this way so I can open it up for a fun surprise. Now to start off with this, let's begin by drawing the eyes of our alligator. So I'm going to begin right here, and I'm going to make a circle for an eye like this. And then I'll make another circle for an eye right here. I'll make the second one a little smaller. I'm going to make a big circle inside of here, and then a smaller one here. And then I'll do the same thing here. Big circle, and then a smaller one. Then what I like to do is just color in right around here. So it looks like I have two little reflections inside of the eyes. So we'll just color in these areas right here. Next, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up and then down. And then I'll draw one here. It's just going to come up and then down. I'll make a line that comes back here. And then starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come out here. Then I'll draw a line that's going to come up and down a little bit. And then up and down here. Then I'll put two ovals in here that I'll color in. Then I'm going to put some little triangle shapes on here. Next, starting here, I'm going to bring this line down and then up to here. And then I'm just going to bring this line down here. Right here, I'm going to bring this line across. And then I'll add these little lines on here so we can see kind of like the belly of our alligator. Next, I'm going to open this up and draw the inside. Now, when I open this up, I have two halves of my alligator. So the first thing I'm going to do is I will bring this line down here, and then I'm going to bring this line up here. Now, starting here, I'm going to bring this line across and curve it up. And then I'll make a little line right here. Next, I'm going to bring this line down. I'm going to curve it over and then connect it right to there. Then I want to make some sharp teeth across here. So I'm going to make some really sharp teeth that go all the way across here. And I'll do the same thing here. Just going to make some sharp teeth right across the mouth of our little alligator. Next, I'm going to draw a line that curves up and down. And then one more that's going to curve around and come back for the tongue. Now, inside of here, I want to make kind of like a bumpy, kind of like cloud-looking line. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to make these big bumps right inside of here. And I'm going to make these all the way around. We're going to avoid the teeth. But then when I get to here, I'm going to make these lines come in, so it kind of looks like there's a little bite taken out of it. Now inside of here, I'm gonna write the words Snappy Valentine's Day. So I'm gonna fast forward through this though, but when I'm done, you can always pause it so you can copy it. So right in here for the fun card, and I put a little twist on it, we wrote Snappy Valentine's Day instead of happy. And then you can always go and you can always add some extra little hearts in here, just to kind of add a little bit more detail and just to kind of keep it fun. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.